Hello, I'd like to present to you my research on business models for free and open source software, which I conducted with my colleague, Johannes Nguyen. So first, free and open source software is software that's not just free as in no cost, but where the developer or creator gives users the right to actually look at the source code and make copies of it, modify it, and even sell it. And business models are ways to find sustainability for such models. Now, free and open source software, FOSS, is a very big thing in software today. 78% of all companies use FOSS. You might have heard of Linux, surely you've heard of Android, maybe Firefox and Chrome are examples of great software produced through this model. But how can you sustain giving away great software for free? So to do this, we conducted a Delphi study, which is a series of interactive surveys conducted by leading experts, around 34 leading experts in FOSS. And we did 3 rounds, at the end of which the experts came up with 27 business models, 23 currently existing and 4 proposed that don't exist yet. And some of the notable ones are auxiliary services, which includes not selling the software itself, but selling services like tech support and installation and consulting surrounding software. There's crowdfunding, where they ask users to contribute money to fund the development. And there's also software as a service with distribution, where the FOSS is run on a server, and perhaps some people pay for it, but people are still free to download the service software and run it on its own. So this presentation of 27 business models is very helpful to managers, because they now have some ideas of different ways they can sustainably produce and distribute their FOSS, their free and open source software. And the study has a lot of detailed commentary about each model from the experts, pros and cons, advantages, situations where it might work or might not work. This study also provides some theoretical contributions, in that the framework that was used identified different dimensions of business models, notably the quality of the software that can be produced, the different facets of distribution. Some are distributed to a lot of people, some to just a few. The financial aspects, where does the revenue come from to fund the developers, how much do users actually pay for services and other things, and renown, such as the credit given to the contributors.